Today I'm going to reveal my entire crypto portfolio as well as my investment strategy moving into this upcoming bull run, which is slowly but surely approaching. So I'm going to talk about how I plan to maximize profits and minimize losses and hopefully teach you how to do the same. Now, first of all, I want to mention that this is obviously not financial advice in any way, and what investment strategy you should be using really depends on your life situation and how big your portfolio is. So this is basically the strategy I have made for my current life situation. I'm pretty young, so I'm going to take a bit of risk. Obviously, if you're a bit older, you might want to take less risk. And also just with my portfolio size, this is kind of what I think is a good portfolio and a good investment strategy for a crypto bull run. So basically, as of right now, my portfolio consists of approximately 30% Solana, 30% Ethereum, and 40% XRP. Now, keep in mind that this is a bear market portfolio and not necessarily a portfolio to maximize profits in the bull market. So I will tell you a little bit about how I'm gonna change that up moving into this next bull run. But essentially, this is the portfolio I've been holding through most of the bear market, because in the bear market, you'd probably wanna be holding mainly like top 10 coins. And the top 10 coins will also probably see smaller drops compared to some of these lower market cap coins. So that's why I went for Solana, XRP, and Ethereum. Ethereum obviously isn't going anywhere. It's the second biggest crypto when it comes to XRP. The reason for having XRP currently, I got into XRP before their lawsuit was over, and I was fairly certain that they were gonna win their lawsuit against SEC, which they ended up doing, so I got in before that. I also know that XRP didn't have a massive run in the previous bull run because of this lawsuit with SEC, meaning that the chance of XRP dropping a ton was fairly low in that current state. And obviously now they have won their lawsuit and I'm up pretty well already on my XRP position. And then obviously Solana, you guys probably know that I've been in the Solana ecosystem for a long time. I'm really bullish on Solana in general. I'm here in Dubai right now, meeting tons of people from the Solana ecosystem, so it's just making me more and more bullish, honestly, on Solana. They have a lot of cool things coming up, so that's why I'm holding Solana. But now what might be more interesting is how I'm gonna change this portfolio up moving into the bull run. So most likely these will still be my three main holdings, but I'm also gonna allocate probably between 25 to 40% into more high risk asset, meaning lower market cap gems that hopefully has massive upside potential. There are certain areas within the crypto space I'm currently looking at to enter and find some of these hidden gems. You have AI tokens. AI obviously is a really big thing at the moment, so I think a lot of AI tokens can do really well. One coin that I'm, for example, looking at in the AI area right now is Tau or bittensor. You also have SocialFi or decentralized social media platforms. One project that I've actually talked about previously on this channel and that I'll probably add into my portfolio is Torum or XTM token. And you also have Metaverse, which I think can do pretty well in this upcoming bull run. We have tokens like Wilder Worlds, for example, that I'm looking at in this area. Now, if you want me to make videos separately on like smaller cap altcoins like these and explain why I believe these can do well, just let me know down in the comment section, because I'd totally be up to share some low cap gems with you guys. Now, with my current portfolio size, I'm probably looking to hold somewhere between 6 and 10 tokens at once, not any more than that, because it will just get messy and I don't have like $1 million portfolio. So I probably wouldn't look to diversify any more than like 10 tokens. Focus on 10 high conviction tokens that I really believe in and I do a lot of research in. Hopefully ride those tokens up. And obviously when you start seeing good profits in some of these tokens that you hold, you might want to look into other areas that haven't actually seen like a massive pump yet. So you have to remember that crypto bull runs tend to go in cycles. So all of a sudden AI tokens can pump like crazy and take off. And when that happens, you want to take profits up along the way and redistribute those profits into other areas in the crypto space. So if AI tokens all of a sudden pump like crazy, you can take profits, redistribute that into some of your other holdings or like other altcoin gems that you find in other areas that haven't seen a pump yet, like SocialFi, for example. Now, as I said, the bull run moves in phases. So you can have one area that has a massive pump, then that area sees a little bit of a decline and that money flows into a different area. Now, how to actually see where the money flows in the bull run is obviously really hard. It can be really hard. Now, what I recommend you to do is just like keep up to date with smart people on Twitter, be active in communities, ask a lot of questions, and also just look at on-chain data and kind of get a good feel for where money is flowing next. You really want to be super early on trends, as early as possible. That is pretty obvious, as you know. Now, if you're new to the crypto space and you haven't actually been involved in a massive bull run yet, you need to basically be okay with losing some money, because all it takes is a few really really good investments to make you generational wealth in this space. So you can take 10 losses where you lose a lot of money, but then all of a sudden you have 2 tokens that 100x, and you have made back all of those losses and a ton more. Now, if you enjoyed today's video, do remember to smash a like and subscribe down below. Let me know what you would like to see next on the channel down below in the comment section as well. Would you like me to make some videos on some really promising altcoins that I'm currently looking at for this upcoming bull run? Let me know down below. Now, with all that said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.